Hey y'all, it's Amber from Amber Teaches, and I'm so excited that you have received your Amber's Mini Hydro Starter Kit. Whether you've used the Kratky method before or this is your very first time growing in water, you're in the right place. This video will show you exactly what's inside your kit, what each part is for, and how to set everything up step by step. This method is super simple. There's no soil, no pumps, no cords, just clean, easy growing. All right, y'all, let's take a look at the pieces in your kit. First, you have your mason jar. This is your water reservoir. Next is your light blocking sleeve. This keeps the light out and helps prevent algae. You'll see a plastic net pot, a propagation sponge, and a cotton wick. These three work together to hold your cutting in place and keep it moist while the roots form. You'll also have an adapter collar. This is perfect if you're transferring a plant from an AeroGarden or another hydroponic system. And finally, you'll find your plant label and your QR code sticker and magnet. Anytime you need to revisit this video, just scan the QR code. Now let's put it all together. Start by filling your jar about 3/4 full with water. Thread your wick through the bottom of the net pot and place the propagation sponge on top. Your cutting goes right into one of those slits in the sponge. Or if you're using the adapter collar with the AeroGarden pod or another hydroponic pod, just seat that pod into place. Put the net pot or collar on top of the jar, slide your sleeve over the outside of the jar, and that's it, you're ready to grow. Roots usually start forming in a few days, and your plant will take off from there. Thank you so much for supporting Amber Teaches. And if you want more gardening tips, plant care breakdowns, and simple growing tutorials, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Happy growing, y'all, and I'll holler at you later. Bye.